I've been doing options for about 2 years now, but I need some consistency. Yes, user 377. Consistency is the big thing. It sounds like you need a strategy. It sounds like you need something, thank you, something that you can follow consistently. Okay, that's the difference between people who are beginners and what they call amateurs, and people who are moving to the next level. Let's say it that way. All right. You need a list of instructions that you can follow, and you're going to follow it exactly the same every single time you see a specific setup. Okay, so that's exactly what I give to people, is specific instructions. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. That's exactly what I give to people, is specific instructions. I call them strategies or recipes. So that way you always know what you're doing. And let me say this real quick, and I got you. The thing that is so challenging is I'm going to say it this way, and I'm going to explain it. The thing that is the most challenging is being boring in the stock market. So what do I mean by that? Okay. Yes, nurse. Yes, nurse. Okay. What I mean by being boring is this: getting up into the stock market on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, then the next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then the next, and what you're doing is the exact same thing. That is the hardest thing, because are you welcome to Seeker? You're very welcome. We as humans, we don't want to do the same thing over and over again. We want to change things up. But you got to realize, somebody took the time to put their own money on the line to create the recipe. Somebody put their own money and time to create the recipe. Somebody put their own money, time, and expertise into creating the recipe. So that means they made sure it works. All right. As an example, I had somebody in my class, my W class on Saturday, ask, well, what if we did it this way? And I said in front of the whole class, I said, it could work that way, but I have not put my money and my time and my expertise. You're welcome, Opal. I haven't put my money and time and expertise to practice it and make money and lose and tweak it and make it better. I said, but the one I'm teaching you on Saturday, that one, I have been diligently putting my own money into it over and over and over and over and over and over and over again, because when I hand it to you, I want you to know I have literally tested this thing. I put my money. I tried it with this stock. It worked. I tried it with this stock. It didn't work. Throw it away. I tried it with this stock. It didn't work. I tried it at this time. It didn't work. I tried it at this place. It didn't work. I tried it at this place. Oh, that one worked. Okay. So that's how I do it. Okay. And that's because I was trained as a scientist when I was at UCLA. Okay. So because of my training, look at Lou said, yep, she said that. That's right. I said that. All right. That's because of my training as a professional. I have been taught that you try something and make sure it works. So that way, anybody that comes behind you, if they do it the way you have literally created it and tested it and tweaked it and made it better, they should have the same success. That's my training as a scientist. Okay. So that's how I get down. And I don't just give people, oh, do this, and I ain't done it myself. My level of integrity is way up here. Okay, I want to sleep at night.